Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liquid oatmeal. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of liquid, such as milk or water, to achieve the perfect consistency. Make sure you have a reliable blender, a small saucepan, and a serving bowl on hand. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and delicious start to your day, offering a quick and nutritious meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's get cooking to achieve that wonderfully creamy texture. Pour your 1/2 cup of oats and 1 cup of liquid into a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Stir occasionally for about 5 minutes, or until the oats are noticeably soft and have absorbed most of the liquid. This crucial step ensures your oatmeal will blend smoothly and have a delightful, comforting warmth. Once your oats are cooked, it's time to transform them into a silky smooth liquid. Carefully pour the warm oatmeal mixture into your blender. Blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring there are no lumps remaining. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add an extra tablespoon of liquid at a time until it reaches your desired pourable texture. This step is key to creating that perfect, drinkable oatmeal. Finally, let's personalize your delicious liquid oatmeal. Pour the smooth mixture into your favorite serving bowl or a tall glass. Now it's time to add your preferred flavorings. Consider stirring in a teaspoon of honey, a dash of maple syrup, or some mashed fruit. For an extra touch, top it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, or a pinch of cinnamon. Enjoy your quick, nutritious, and perfectly customized liquid oatmeal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.